Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rippling Employee Portal, manage work account step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Rippling Employee Portal. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. On the portal's homepage, look for the Login section. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field provided. Ensure that your password is entered correctly to avoid login issues. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. After a few moments, you will be redirected to your employee dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the portal. From here, you can manage various aspects of your work account. If you encounter any issues while logging in, double-check your email and password. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a seamless experience. If problems persist, reach out to your HR department for assistance. You are now ready to navigate the Rippling Employee Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.